every day. D for dog with a waggy tail. E for elephant, big like a whale. F for fish that swims so free. G for guitar, strum with me. H for house where we all stay. I for ice cream, hip hip hooray. J for jelly that shakes around. K for kite flying up and down. L for lion, strong and bold. M for monkey with tricks untold. N for nest where birds all rest. O for orange juice is best. P for pencil we write with care. Q for queen with crown to wear. R for babbit hopping fast. S for sun shining at last. T for train going choo choo choo. U for umbrella for rain on you. V for violin singing soft and low. W for whale with the water blow. X for sardine playing bright tunes. Y for yo-yo spinning round like moons. Z for zebra black and white. Now we know our letters right. A, B, C, hooray, hooray. Learning is fun every day.